how to fix Amazon login error on mobile browser. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Amazon login error on a mobile browser. So without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. To fix Amazon login error from a mobile browser, be it whatever type of error it is that you're facing. Now there could be many various issues and reasons why this is happening. So first, let's try to go to amazon.com. The first thing you want to make sure is that it's not your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, then when you go to the sign in button, it could be that your credentials are incorrect. So make sure that your email or phone number that you entered is correct. You have got access to this email or phone number to verify the OTP code. And then you also want to make sure that your password is correct. In case you forgot your password, of course, you can choose to try to reset it. And these are simply a couple of ways on how you can fix the login error on Amazon on a mobile browser. You can try to clear the cookies and cache files of the mobile browser as well by simply going to history, and you can try to basically reset and clear the cookies for your history. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.